Pondering Plants is a science unit for first grade students. It targets the 8 multiple intelligences, integrates technology into each activity, and builds community and environmental awareness. The Common Core State standards addressed in this unit are in English Language Arts, Mathematics, and the Next Generation Science standards. The technology standards addressed are in Creativity and Innovation, Communication and Collaboration, and Research and Information Fluency. The technologies utilized in this unit are iPads, apps, Chromebooks, and websites. Here are some examples of the student activities that will take place throughout the unit. Students will begin the unit learning about the plant life cycle. During this section of the unit, students will identify patterns of the life cycle and choose 5 seeds to watch grow on their Chromebook through an online interactive called Watch It Grow. Students will then learn about the different plant parts through creating drawings on the iPad, labeling the different parts of a plant, constructing a dance or movement to the song Roots, Stems, Leaves by the Banana Slug String Band, and recording a paragraph about the plant parts. They will then dive into some more information about plant parts by participating in a root scavenger hunt outside. After the scavenger hunt, students will describe their roots to someone who doesn't know very much about roots. That person will have to draw the root on the iPad based on student description alone. Students will then investigate stems through an experiment to see how colored water moves up a celery stalk, taking pictures and recording observations in Evernote throughout the experiment. They will also take a more in-depth look at leaves by using their iPad to take pictures of the leaves they see outside and separating them into categories by different characteristics. Students will also be placed into 3 different small groups to measure a flower plant's growth with non-standard measurement tools throughout the unit and record their data. The data recorded by each group will be compared to see which type of flower grew tallest. Next, students will create a list of the different plant parts that people eat by talking with their peers and families. They will use that list and their knowledge of plant parts to construct a whole plant from roots to stem to leaves and flowers using the plants people eat. Finally, students will connect with their community in designing a community garden by drawing on the iPad with geometric shapes for garden beds and incorporating their knowledge of plant parts and the parts of plants people eat to fill their garden. After they have finished their designs, they will share them with the class. I love learning and teaching about science, but I never really thought about how the hands-on, experiential aspect of teaching science to younger students converged with the use of technology in the classroom. I have learned that technology can be easily incorporated into science education and education in general. I'm excited to use what I have learned to promote community, environmental, and technology awareness in education.